I want you to meet our cute and fluffy Centennial named Sunny. Now, Sunny loves money. Normally in the wild, they love to pick up things and build their nest. Now, let's see what Sunny will do. So, Sunny flies all the way to Mount Chelsea, land on their arms, and he picks the 50 peso bill. Now, bye-bye, Sunny, and bye-bye, 50 pesos. Easy money, right? Now, ma'am, can we do it again, like another 1,000 pesos?
Unfortunately, no.
Unfortunately, no. That's okay, ma'am. So I will help you get your money back. All you have to do is extend your right arm like this and open your palm. Now, Sunny is a good bird. He loves seeds more than money. Alright, he flies back all the way to Mount Chelsea and he puts the 50 peso bill back. You're very excited, Sunny. So a round of applause to our cute and fluffy Centennial named Sunny. Now, ma'am.